What if I record the few days I have left to spend in BFA forever? So this is revision edition. We have a few months to go. We're having a revision class on measurements. So okay, hi. We have a revision class for measurements. Final days in BFA. Few months left to go. It's just so funny how 6 months is coming to an end. At first, it looks like it was a whole lot, but now it's like just few days. Like, do you want to leave? Do you want to go now? Do you want to leave PFA now? We need like an extra 3 months to stay. Miss Yudi, I don't want to go. Add another 3 months.
We should miss you guys so.
Add another 3 months so I'll stay.
Don't worry, when you leave, you can still be coming to say
It's just, but funny enough, it's just so sad that.
Did you listen to this today?
So, outfit check, revision edition, measurement revision, and falling in love with who I am. The class kick-started, and this is just me just having some few moments of my time admiring God's wonderful work. And at that point, they were trying to call someone, or draw someone's attention to something. Anyways, the class was still going on, and it was so interactive, fun, and very, very lovely. Okay, my tutor actually noticed me. I was just recording, and all she did was smile. Honestly, that smile was just everything to me because it was so lovely, and I always love her when she smiles a lot. And, anyways, you get this more often anytime we're having her class. Okay, finally done with my class, so I'll move on to my corset to complete my corset pattern. So let's just go and complete my corset pattern together. At this point, I was trying to round up with my corset pattern, but then market duty calls. Like fabric hunting, we need to start going, so I just had to hurry up with little things, then just folded it. Okay, so we're finally done with our class, and we are heading off to markets for my blazer project material. So I'll call these fabric hunting. Fabric hunting. She's just I just can't like so let me zoom out. So I will just we'll start counting. October is 30 days, right? Queen, October is 30 days. Okay, yes, 31. Okay, so 31. What's today's date? 27. This month is 30 or 31 too. Okay, 30. So 31. This is what? 25. Sorry, today is what? 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 31, 32, 33, 34. So 34 days. So let's just do 34 day. Day 34 will be counting backward to the last day of our final project. So 34 days left. Today is 34 day. Tomorrow will be 33. Let's go. Don't mind me at this point. I just felt like I don't know. I just felt like spinning around, and it's just so fun doing what you like, and I don't know what to say. That's just me trying to dance this dance. I see me now, again. That. No. Okay, so now we're market for fabric content for our project.
That's true. I say I'll be posting more.
Hi, Lauren. Fabric hunting, right? Decided.
Hi.
Some people are so
Fish pie. Amen. Say hi. Okay, so we came for fabric hunting and still closed. So fabric hunting, we are still looking for the color. Hi. But do you have?
You can't see that color.
Even I can see this color.
You can see this,
Yes. No, it's just.
but you can't see it.
So I'm at the fabric store, and this is what I ended up with. Hello. Hi.
Good day. I'm not going to use my money.
Sunny.
Let's see my face now.
Must we do this?
Service. Na big man dey. So finally done with fabrics. I didn't get everything, but I was able to achieve some things. Lina. Lisani. Mama send the photo.
We've come to the end of the video, and that was how I spent my whole day 34. So watch out for day 33.